5 business ideas to start in 2022. And the fourth one is the best. Number 1, power washing. With power washing, you simply buy a power wash off Amazon for $100 to $200 and you go door to door knocking or put flyers around your neighborhood. And you're going to charge your clients $50 to $100 to wash the house and driveways. If you do this 6 times a day, that's at least $300. And you need to make sure you're following because I'm about to give away a free power washer. Number 2, creating real estate ads. With this, you just simply go to any real estate website that you know. I recommend Zillow or Realtor.com. You're going to go on a listing and find the listing agent contact information. And then you're going to go on Canva and create an ad. The ad should look anything like this. And you're going to send the ad over to the real estate agent. If they want the ad, you're going to charge them $25. If you do this with 3 more properties, that's $100 an hour. Number 3, card detailing. You're going to start by getting a card detailing kit on Amazon and get a vacuum as well. And then you can pick up some business cards for advertising. You can also use social media for advertising. This one is as simple as cleaning people's cars. And you can make $50 an hour doing this. Number 4, my personal favorite, couch flipping. With this, you simply go and offer up a Facebook Market and search for free couch. You're going to go pick up the couches and relist them back on the same platform. You just need to clean the couch a little bit. You're going to take better pictures and you need to offer free shipping, which means you need to have the truck so you can deliver it. That right there is the key thing for a successful couch flipper. You can sell each couch from $200 to $600. If you sell 5 couches a week for $400, that's $2,000 a week. And for number 5, check in the comments down below.